Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, popping on live, which I wasn't going to do a live. I actually recorded this first because I'm a bit of a mess, as you can see. I'm totally all natural, but I decided it's faster to get this going for you guys. So hang on, I just put that so I can see if anybody comments, though it's kind of far away. It looks like I'm really on that screen. I look like I'm really close up, but on my phone, I look like I'm far back. So I don't know how well you guys are going to see or not. But anyway, I wanted to say I have a ton of swaps to share with you guys later today. This is just one bag. There's a ton. I've got piles. So I will be sharing those probably in lieu of my Tiny Tip Tuesday because there's a lot. I may even divide it up. So what I want to do first is I wanted to show you what we got from Stampin' Up. Now, bear in mind, this was a business meeting. It was for the leaders of Stampin' Up. So it wasn't, there was absolutely no stamping for us or even on stage. There was none of that. So totally business, which it was actually still fun and very, very educational and great. So I wanted to show you some of the stuff. You guys saw the t-shirt. I know I'm backwards, but you saw the t-shirt. They gave us all these when they announced about the Cirque du Soleil Beatles, which there were dropping little hints, like you kept hearing Beatle music, and sometimes someone would come out in a Beatles t-shirt, and so we kind of figured it out because we knew, I mean, it's there in Vegas, right? So we kind of knew. Anyway, so that's where the t-shirt came from. When we check in, which my friend Travis checked in for me because of all my flight insanity. I was 3 hours late. I can't remember if I posted that, but hoi, hoi, hoi. I'm not even going to get into it because it'll give me heartburn or something. Anyway, this is our little bag that we got. It is a smaller bag than we normally get, and it's flat. But it's very cute, and it does have the Stampin' Up! Logo on both sides in the corner. So we really liked it. And inside, tied to the bag, was this gorgeous scarf. I mean, I don't even know. You're not even going to be able to see it all. But it's truly very pretty. And it had the Stampin' Up! Logo in a corner. Now, I'm not generally a scarf person, but I know that they're very in. So, you can wear it and look groovy. Plus, everything was very retro themed. So, scarves were very in. I'm not going to wear it like a babushka on my head, although I could. Also in there was our beautiful retro 3-ring notebook. Hi, Lareed. It is a pretty scarf, isn't it? So we don't normally get a binder. We normally get like a spiral bound thin notebook that has our all of our information in it. But this is I'm an office supply person, so this got me excited. The inside, both sides have nice pockets, and then all of the pages in here were places to take notes for all of our training. A lot of blank pages. So it's awesome. I know I'll be using this a lot for my personal business. Also in there, inside of this little bag, were these fabric stickers. And my thought on these is, I don't know yet what I'm going to do with them, but they're fabric stickers. And as I have sewn in my life, I know that you can then stick these to like your jean jacket, and then you can sew it while it's stuck in place. So that is my thinking for that. I think this one's really cute. Isn't that cute? And then, of course, the Stampin' Up! Logo. Again, yes, I know it's backwards. And then the retro arrow. So You can choose your direction. I don't want to, my weight goes this way. I want my business to go that way. And I want my family to stay pretty neutral, okay? Keep everything calm at home. Also inside our bags was, they always give us a pen. So we got 2 pens. This one writes in pink and that one in black. Some really cute paper clips, pins. This is the Backstage pin. These are little push pins like for your bulletin board, and then a cute little notepad, and it all came in this retro box. So that was really cute. And of course, they gave us our ticket to Cirque du Soleil, which this is not a cheap thing. I mean, when I'm looking at it, it was over $100, I think. Well, okay, $100.05. But still, that's a lot, right? Then they have these little silly things we could do and go pick up stickers. I know it sounds silly, but like I said, business meeting. So we could play like Plinko or the thing where you toss cornhole, I think it's called, where you toss the little baggies into holes. Okay, so these are some of the stickers that I picked up. This one says believe in you, which I really like because, you know, I'm on a weight loss journey. And then you are brilliant because I want to be. So I'm terrible at cornhole. Hi, Amy. Again, I apologize. No makeup. The hair is a disaster. I went for my walk this morning and just sort of wet it, and I didn't even scrunch. So it's pretty bad. But, you know, you guys love me anyway. And then Thursday night after we came in, they had a party for us, like before all of the business started, out by the pool, on the pool patio. It was really cool. I don't remember what pictures I've posted. So, oh, thank you, Lareed. So I will look and see if I posted any of those pictures because they were pretty cool. But there was this square box that had all these different colors in it that it was pretty, but you didn't think much of it until later you walked by and this white gloved hand came out and you gave it the ticket, okay, that they gave us, a little like ticket. It was cute. And then the white gloved hand came out with this. It's little sunglasses. Okay. I'm just going to tell you, they aren't like super expensive glasses, but they're very cute, very retro. They have the Stampin' Up logo, and they do make me look rather cool, like groovy baby. So they are cute, and I can tell you that they are definitely, I mean, you can see they're dark, but they're dark sun, and I have light sensitivity, so, and I don't really need my glasses to drive. They're really just for reading. And also, of course, it came with a glasses cleaner that has the logo on it, so that's nice. So is that everything? Yeah. Oh no, our cute little lanyards. We always get like a very stereotypical lanyard basically, but this is my little name tag. They also had a playing card on it. They had us do a little game with these where we had to go. I'm not a card and I don't gamble, so they were like, go look for a straight. No, and they had to tell us what it was because I don't know. But look at this little piece. You see, it's not really showing it up, but it's like little black gems, and it's one of those stretchy thingies. But look at the actual lanyard is glittery. So it was very elegant. So that was fun. But so that is everything that Stampin' Up gave us. If I find anything else, I'll let you know. But like I said, this was definitely a business meeting. But I'm not kidding you, you guys. I have so many swaps because I did a 3D swap. I did a fun fold swap, and then I just did swap. And so I will be sharing those with you. So I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.